Something light and quick to make for today? I combined zucchini and bacon to make a delicious pasta sauce. As a result, the dish is velvety and crunchy. Bacon adds a delicious aftertaste to zucchini, making the sauce incredibly flavorful. Ingredients for 3 to 4 people: 300 grams of Trofie, 650 grams zucchini, 100 grams diced bacon, 1 garlic clove, salt and pepper, as needed. Dice 550 grams of zucchini. In a pan, brown the garlic clove and then add 50 grams of diced bacon. Since the bacon has enough fat, you don't need to add any kind of oil. In the meanwhile, add water and salt to a pot and then bring it to boil. This will be for the pasta. Let fry the bacon until brown and then add the zucchini cubes. Add 50 grams of the boiling water. Let's cook for 15 minutes on a medium-high heat. After the zucchini and bacon are cooked, blend them and create a soft sauce. If needed, add salt and pepper. Place the sauce in a pan with no heat. Cut the remaining 100 grams of zucchini into half-round slices. Fry them with the bacon for a few minutes on a high heat. They should remain crunchy. Put the Trofie in the boiling water and cook the pasta. Drain the Trofie and combine it with the zucchini and bacon sauce directly in the pan. Fry all together for a few minutes to warm up the sauce. Remove the pasta from the heat and put it in a bowl. Add the crunchy zucchini and bacon and stir all together. All done. Serve warm and enjoy. Buon appetito!